Hi, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. Today we're going to draw another from a category I'm calling Cartoon Characters with Really Weird Heads. Stewie Griffin from Family Guy, a true football head. When we're done, I'll tell you about two other characters who share Stewie's basic head shape, one with almost identical proportions, and one that, now that I think of it, more resembles a clam. Anyway, stick around to the end and I'll tell you about them. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Stewie Griffin. We're going to draw Stewie step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Stewie is almost exactly 2 heads tall in this drawing. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body height is 2 of those. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for Stewie Griffin. So there's our roadmap for Stewie. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Stewie's eyes, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them very easily. So let's rough out Stewie's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Stewie. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Stewie Griffin. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Stewie. All right, there you have it. Stewie Griffin. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Stewie before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Stewie Griffin and his teddy bear. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So as I promised at the start, there are at least 2 cartoon characters who share Stewie's basic football head shape. One of them is Donnie Thornberry from the Wild Thornberries, and the other is Arnold from Hey Arnold. But as I mentioned, Arnold's head is a bit flatter, maybe more like a clam than a football. So I'd love to see your drawing of Stewie. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.